Waterfalls, y'all. I don't even know exactly what it is, but I think it's about to be a rave at the Waterfalls. So come with me. We on a bus with it. Got a new hair color too, y'all. My hair blonde. They say blondes have more fun. We gonna see. Hey, what's up? Wait, what's your name?
I'm Bernard.
Nice to meet you, Bernard.
Nice to meet you.
Say what's up to the YouTube.
Okay, this is Bernard. We are coming to have fun. This is my machine.
He's been taking pictures the whole ride. He recording me, y'all.
Yeah, I'm recording you.
Hey, what's up? Yeah. We made it!
It's win.
This is Didi, the famous Didi DJ. Stop playing with that girl. Alright, y'all, so he about to do an interview for me.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging too.
Alright guys, so we just go here to the Asenema Falls. As you can see, I'm standing right by a very beautiful lady. Hi, your name?
Thank you. My name is Casey.
Casey, so what are you expecting? What's one thing you're looking forward to today?
Literally, I have no idea what this is. My friends just texted me and was like, pull up. So I pulled up, but I heard it's a waterfall here. So I'm looking forward to getting my feet wet. I'm not gonna get in the water because like, yeah, I didn't prepare for that. But I'm just ready to vibe, turn up, drink some palm wine, dance a little bit, and rage.
Most definitely. You know, how long have you been here?
I live here, so
Hey,
I've been here for like 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
Hey, what's your favorite thing about Ghana so far? I like that. Nice meeting you.
Motuo.
Hey.
That's my favorite thing.
Hey, what you can use out for? Oh, Charlie.
Say what's up to the vlog. Y'all, we are here. I'm at the Waterfalls. Closer in a second. Okay, y'all, so we at the waterfall.
I know they want to see me fall.
Okay, guys, so I'm at the place, and but yeah, I'm at the place, and something bit me. I'm literally itching like really fucking bad. I have no idea what bit me, but that shit hurt. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. And I'm sitting right next to a pile of red ants, so that's probably what happened. But the vibes didn't really start yet because it's early. It's like 4:21, and it's supposed to go on until like 10 p.m. So we got like 6 hours left to vibe and stuff.
Sip, smoke, smoke.
you let shit slide. Ain't bad if you got a dick ride. Big guns and a lot of zip ties. So she look like me, quit lying.
Don't stop the beat, don't stop, don't stop the beat, don't stop, don't stop the beat.
We gon' spin and kill. Deep in the spot. A nigga tellin' now. We gon' spin and kill.